A not guilty plea from the Hanukkah stabbing suspect, Grafton Thomas. The prosecution and defense clashed in court today as Thomas was arraigned for attacking people at the home of a rabbi. CBS 2's Tony Aiello reports.
Your Honor, at this time, people move indictment number 1 of 2020 for arraignment.
The 37-year-old suspect acknowledged his name and otherwise stayed silent as what started as a routine arraignment took on more dramatic form.
Rockland County has a brand new district attorney, former Judge Tom Walsh, and it became clear today his prosecution effort in this case will be very aggressive.
Walsh was in court for the first big case of his tenure. Grafton Thomas is accused of storming into a rabbi's home with a machete and hacking at 6 Orthodox Jewish men celebrating Hanukkah. One man remains hospitalized and unresponsive. The defense made a relatively routine request for a brief visit to the crime scene. The prosecution says that would harm the rabbi and family living there.
It would be an unnecessary, undue burden upon them.
Prosecutor Dominic Crispino then told Judge Kevin Russo he considers defense attorney Michael Sussman a witness. Sussman legally searched a cabin once used by Thomas where he found unopened psychiatric prescriptions and bizarre writings in journals and on posters.
At this point, I'm asking Mr. Sussman if he's going to be resigning from this case because he is now a civilian witness in this case.
I'm not resigning from the case, Your Honor.
Lawyers gather evidence. People present lawyers' evidence all the time. In this case, I'm assuming that they're a little bit embarrassed that they didn't gather the evidence in a timely manner, and I found it before they did.
The prosecution says it will file a motion to have Sussman dismissed, while Sussman will file a motion to visit the crime scene. The next court action is set for February 18th. At court in New City, New York, Tony Aiello, CBS 2 News.
And Grafton Thomas also faces federal hate crime charges. The defense says mental illness was behind the attack, not anti-Semitism.